tell me you don't have money? Is this what I'll be going through with you?
Baby, cool down. Baby, cool down. Eh? Sometimes you do as if it's only this money that you want from me. I've told you that I don't have money. Would I lie to you? And I don't have money. The thing is that my sister called me. She said that very soon my money will be ready. I will come and collect money.
Better go to the village and stay with them, so they will know how serious you are. Eh? Do you know the caliber of men asking me out? Rich men. They say they'll get me a new apartment, give me the good things life can afford. And you're here telling me you don't have money.
Hey, baby, this thing is not good now. But you know I love you. These men now, they can't die for you, but I can die for you. Hey, now, this is love. Huh? This was why Linda was telling me that I should make sure that you love me the way I love you. I told her that you do. But now you are making me to feel as if what she said is true.
What? Linda said that to you?
Yes.
You mean she said that to you?
Linda was telling me that I should be sure. Not that she was saying something bad though. She was only telling me that I should be sure, I should make sure that you love me the way I love you before next spend all this thing that I'm spending. But I told her that you love me. It's not something bad.
Wait. You now sit down with Linda to discuss me, yeah? You now sit down with Linda to talk about me, right?
Baby,
we shall see about that.
I didn't listen.
You now discuss me with Linda. I got this here. Linda will hear from me.
I didn't listen.
Linda will hear from me.
Baby, I didn't listen to her. Linda, it's in one minute. This game is too much. I said it. Eh?
You mean Osano has started sending this big amount of money so fast?
Mama, that boy is lucky. He is very lucky. Thank God for your wonderful advice of making peace with him before he traveled.
Hey! Surprise!
Yes, so, Mama, this is good news. Hey! I like this kind of news. Akudo, make sure you hold him very tight. You see the way I'm holding this money tight? Hold him tight! Don't let him go.
This is our time to enjoy.
Yes!
If like that, this is our money. And I know that more is coming. And we will make sure that whatever he sends, we will have the lion's share.
Mama, don't bother yourself. You see Odera? Napia can remote control. Correct. Whatever I say is what he does.
Yes.
On what option?
Yes.
You understand? Hey. So don't worry. As I'm talking to you now, he's with his mother. Hey, Mbago. Nothing for her. I am a pego you well. Yes. This your Odera. Is everything you want in this life? You want? It will come from Odera. Yes. Correct. No time. Very soon, also they'll start sending cars. Hey. Mama, did you hear that?
I will drive a car. Hey! Mama. 81.
Mama, you're going to be a big woman in this village. You see all these rubbish people? All these rubbish people now are saying our family did this one, our family did that one. They'll be bowing down to worship you. Hey! They'll bow at your feet. They'll win. Ebi, your sister. Yes, so. Ebi, my father. Ebi, London. You blow. Hey! It is happening. It is happening. It's good news. They say that we are bad. Now we show them that we are badder than the baddest.
Baddest city.
Bandadada.
Bandadada. We have arrived.
Yes, so.
We have arrived. This boy is not leaving this house.
So.
Ig and all.
Like this.
In fact, I have another plan.
Okay.
I have another plan. We are not going to allow him to just go like that.
How could your brother not have called for 1 year now? I hope he's alright.
Mama, he's alright. He's very, 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 very fine. But I heard that some Nigerian boys will travel abroad. They will start following all these white people. You understand? Okay, look at Okoro's son. Died 5 years in abroad. After that, he came back with nothing. You see? I know that once Osondo travels, he will start messing up. I know it.
My son, let us not conclude yet. Huh? God, I prayed to you so much about my son. Eh? How could he forget where he came from?
I must stop this thing now. Eh? I'm here now. Look at me, I'm doing well. My business is doing well. It's moving. Yes. Mama, Akudo has money. All this money I'm enjoying now is from Akudo. You see? Don't worry, I'll see what I can do. Okay? But stop thinking about Osonda. What is that? Mama, very soon I will give you a grandchild. I want to marry Akudo.
What? Has he gotten to that?
Mama, it has gotten to that though. That lady changed my life. And she has money. You understand? Look at me. Good watch. Good clothes. I am living well. What else do I want?
Hey. 1 year is not too far. Neither is it too close for my son not to have communicated. Nah, eh?
Mama, it's okay. Stop thinking about him. Eh? Stop thinking about him. You understand? I'll do you good. All you have to do is to pray for me, so I'll keep making money from Akudo. Oh, you understand? I brought something for you. Milk, idiota.
Oh, baby. You mean you got all this for me?
Yes.
Oh, baby. Thank you so much.
I told you I have made money. Yes! I'm in money now. I told you that everything will be fine. Thanks to my uncle that stays abroad. Yes. That showers me now and my family gift, money and everything.
Thanks to your uncle. I told you everything will be fine. Now you see things are falling into pleasant places. I love you.
I'm happy that you're happy.
I know very soon you'll buy me a car.
Go. I will get you a fine car.
Oh, baby.
That is why I want us to get married as soon as possible.
Baby, we'll get married. But let's wait till Kaima gets to 10 years.
10 years? It's fine. Before that time, she going to breast. Huh? She has grown. Even as she is now, she has grown. This girl, Kaima, she has grown. Can't you see the way she always play here alone? Lonely. Indirectly, she's telling us that she needs a sister. You never Can you be the very but don't worry. I will tell my uncle to send you a car. Yes.
That's my baby. Thank you so much. Don't worry,
baby. So she believed you?
Yes. Though I gave her small money, she now believes that her son is not bringing money home. She now sees me as the one bringing money home. Yes. And she even think that you're the one giving me all this money.
Ty! My baby man was up. My baby man was up.
Leave there.
In my father.
There.
You see why I love you so much? Maybe too much. Don't worry. My mother is preparing something special for you. Something sumptuous. What pachalaka? What do you guys want?
You know what? I'm so happy. Very, very happy. Because I have to prove to you how much I love you. Okay, can I tell you something?
What?
I told my mother about our marriage.
Hey, what did she say?
What will she say now? I'm the only child that she's seen now. I'm the only son that she's seeing right now. So she has no option. She can object my wish. Yes.
Sanna gazin so wa gara. Money can wife to be. Together. My baby for life.
Yes.
Hey.
Baby
Mama. I trust you. I trust you.
The religious meaning is here. Let me bring water.
Mama, I will remove my watch for this one.
No.
You know what? That's why I didn't even eat at home.
Up here?
Yes, because I know that you're going to arrange a subnoxious, lequacious, authentic meal for me.
You gotta go. You don't trust me again.
Hi.
Okogo. Enjoy your meal, huh?
In Adakuncha.
You know what I can do. Okogo,
Baby, I'm there. Work again.
And
Hey, she has eaten. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten? You have eaten.
Yes, I have eaten.
No, Mama, we have to eat like wife, husband, wife. We have to eat.
Don't worry, maybe next time when you come, you eat together. Okay. I'm ready for now for no. Enjoy yourself.
I may be my shade. Remember,
I remember to lay
you gotta go. Oh, come on, in the making. Hey, Nwanka, it's a my here. Hey, nah. Him and sometimes, other notcher with brain, enjoy your meal. Okay, leave the meat for him now.
Hey, baby, my follow. A wedgie moke. I put him back. It's too much.
Okogo in the making. Oh!
You don't trust my mother. My mother world best cook. One yana dako head you. Dako.
Professional.
World best cook.
I am still shocked. So, your uncle has finally remembered your family.
Yes.
Hey, Okoli.
You see, this is the time we need to enjoy this life. Because there is money. You're a lucky man. You're a lucky man to have me. Because I will spoil you with money.
Hey.
There is money.
Nalumia. You see, I am a lucky man indeed.
I know, I just told you.
That is why when people in this village are talking bad and evil about your family, I always tell them to keep quiet. Because your family is the best in this village. This is why I always wanted to marry you.
I know. A rich home.
Yes.
See this money? Keep it. Today is me and you. We'll finish from here. We'll go to the next bank and another bank. Throughout today, we'll finish this money. More is coming.
Bam.
More is coming.
Oh, set to go.
Send more money. This village will know that we are from wealthy home. Yes. This is AB London. Do you want more? Mother!
Wait. Let me finish this one.
Okay.
Have
money.
Hey, again. I
will spoil you with money.
Where is my in-law? In-law, come.
My baby, I done it.
Hey!
Oh,
my in-law, you finished the food.
Of course, I have to.
Hey!
I told you that my mother na dakunia.
Professional.
You deserve an award.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
In-law,
I've never eaten this kind of food in my whole life.
I told you.
And for this, man has your life now.
You mean the river? Hey!
Watch if magic. I'm going to show you magic now.
Onye ka ọ na-amanye kwa aka n'akpa. Ọ na-amanye kwa aka n'akpa.
Hey, follow me.
Hey!
Mama, cool, go down. Baby, I'm there. Eh? For you first.
Nata. Hey! For me. Okogom.
Mine.
Eh? Okogom.
Hey. Now you there?
Eh? Move your Nina. Okogo in the making.
My baby not there.
Oto mwake ebo.
My baby my what's up?
Hey!
My baby there.
My baby not there.
Baby there.
My baby my family.
Baby there.
My baby my Okwytex. Yeah?
Dikeh.
Baby, come out of here.
I made the right choice. I made the best choice. My baby. Hey!
No.
God, what is all this? Hey, what have I done to deserve this? Oh God, even somebody that I asked to call my son Odira is nowhere to be found.
Mama, are you okay? How are you?
Thank God you are here. Ne? Oh, I don't know what is happening to me. I am feeling so dizzy inside. I have asked Zoba to call Odira for me. But I don't know where she has put her head.
I was going for our weekly Wednesday prayers at Tuguonsu. So I said, let me stop by and know how you're doing.
Ada?
Ma?
Take your phone and call Odira. Tell Odira to come and take me to the hospital. You can have the Mobi. I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling headache. Tell Odira to come and take me to the hospital. I don't know why he no longer cares about me. Knowing fully well that his brother is not in this country. Even his brother that is abroad. He does not even care how his mother is faring. I don't know what I have done to deserve this. Mama, I don't know what I have done to deserve this.
Stop talking like that. Don't talk like that. I'll quickly run back to the house now, pick my phone, and I'll call Odira for you. Oh, be cool.
Come in. The door is open.
Ta-da!
What's the set?
Wait, stop rushing. No rush.
What is it now?
Guess what I'm having here?
I know I'm not good at guessing, but tell me now.
Wait now. My brother has sent a lot of money and a car.
And a car?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! What kind of car?
It's just a small car. He said I should give it to my mother and use the money he sent to start a building in the village on my land. Yeah. What is it?
So you want to keep everything for yourself? You give your mother the car, you use the money and start building for him. Your mother will be driving, then my own mother, I will get this Benz, Naga. My mother will be walking, your own mother will be driving, then you will keep the money.
Baby, why are you behaving like this? Don't you trust me again? All these things we're talking about, you're the one to decide on what we are going to do with it. Yes. My own is just to go and clear the car and I'll give it to you.
Come here, baby. As in no bros, my baby my follow. My baby mama saw.
My baby there. One there.
You see, let me
hold the money.
Let me have the money, You see, this money. You're going to give my mother that car.
Pure.
Then you see about this dollars, I change you. You buy my own car. What? Why is it? Come moto zure come. Bagam. Okwytex for me. You can buy anyone you like for yourself.
Oh, of course.
Then the remaining money, you send it to me. Eh? I will give some to my brother to add to his business.
That one is small now.
Then I will give some to my sister. She said she wants to go to London for her London trip. Body no be wood. You get that girl?
Hey, see, all these things you're mentioning, no need, because this money you're seeing and everything and the one that is going to come, everything, you decide.
My baby for life. My baby for life. My baby for life.
Look it up.
Nah. Can I buy? Let's get inside. My baby for life.
One day.
Enke, I am not happy. I am not happy at all. I don't know what I
understand. Well, that will not make you not to go there and help that woman. You need to go and help her.
I know why she's calling me. Is it not to go and fetch water for her? I am tired. For 1 year and 8 months now, Okorondu have not called to know how I'm doing. Hey, I hope you will not go there and marry a white man and forget me. I just hope.
No. No, I suggest you leave him and marry these guys that want to marry you.
Oh, Jew. How will you say it like that?
For 1 year and 8 months. Please, Zoba, you know you are my friend. I'll give you the best advice. Let me tell you, it's not easy for guys over there. I believe he will come back one day. But they're not easy like that. Remember the Okwytex brothers who traveled for how many years? He came back with nothing.
Hey, Uju, who are you supporting now? Are you for me or are you for her? Why are you talking like this? Why can't you be positive for once?
I am positive. How come I can't do mama?
How do your mama again?
Think about their mama. Zoba, see, I will advise you to keep on going there to help that woman. If you fail not to do that, Adana might go there, or Sunday will come back and end up marrying her. Yes, so I will advise you to keep on going there to help the woman. You can let her.
Why the okay? Why the shy? Why manaria? Hey, that is why they are envious of me in this village. But they will see me going higher. Mafa cholia. Otoma, you will be going higher. Oyena okwa moyele ekum. Oye kugam. Ewo. Opadam why? Hello? Asamo. Asam maluma over. Mwa dear. Hey, my angel, I am fine. And you? That you are coming home to see me. What do you call Sugo? Osugo? Osugo Bobo! Hi! You mean Rifa? I told you. Okay. Better she's fine. She's at home. I'm guessing more money are coming. You mean Rifa? Hey! Stop there. And I forget that. Can I forget that?
Good afternoon.
Bad afternoon, sir. Why are you hissing at me?
I did not hiss at you, ma.
Listen. Nepanya can work in now. Whatever you are looking for in my family, if it did not land you in a hospital, it will land you in a police station. And I even it's like I will come and warn your mother. Look at me very well. Sini to my head down. Ochoma is out of gear. I no send. I chopped her note. If you mess up with me or my children, I am going to crush you. Mpeka sagio. Jokwa juese. I don't make one mpeka se. Jukwa se. You not even neku down.
He see at your mother and your family and your generation. A warfare. See the rules of Bobiko. If we are again on a pastor and I on eh? One day, your immorality with that pastor will be exposed. Korea, Chama my phone name. My phone name. On appear front and back. Eh? Say no name. My phone name. I don't know, but one day, okay, exposed. In a his in your generation, idiots. I stop that now. When you're not choosing, when you're not choosing, cross one time. I'm off here.
One day, one fine day, we will see where all these things will land you and your family. Kid.
My friend, what is it? Why is your face like this? Oh, because your mother called you on the phone. That's why you're misbehaving, right?
Maybe it's just that my mother is ill. You understand? And I've been postponing going to see her. I don't know.
Yeah, she's ill, and so what? So what if she's ill? Oh, because I told you that I'm going to see my mother. That's why you turned around and said you are going to see your own mother. Yeah, where? This, oh God. After you be telling me how much you love me, hey, I love you. Without you, I can't eat, I can't breathe, I can't do this, I can't do that. Now just to go and see my mother and give her the car your brother sent. You are talking rubbish. In fact, I'm going to pack my things and leave your house.
No. Hey, baby, no. Please, don't even think about it. Please. Okay, I'm sorry. I am not going again. Okay? It's just that we are talking about my mother's health. You know, but it's okay. I won't go to see her again. Okay? But in any case, you know, venture, get to that place. Just tell her that I'm asking of her.
That's what you should have told me. You're not telling me that you're going to see her. So what? Why? Please, I want you in my shop 247, morning, afternoon, night. Are you hearing me? Don't leave my shop to go to anywhere or for anybody. Are you hearing me? Stay in that shop and be making money for me. And I know.
Baby, yo, baby, yo, you know some girls sweet till my forward away. Baby, yo, one more away. Oh, you know more than you were away to get to play. Baby, you are there, you are there.
Dear ladies, like the word of God rightly encourages us, it is not of him that runneth, nor of him that willeth, but of God that showeth mercy. There is nothing that prayer cannot do. I know that many people in this village keeps telling us that we are going to go to waste our time. But believe me, soon as they will start seeing the results.
Pastor, I want to start seeing the result. I can't wait for my own gift to begin to manifest. My dear, it will manifest. I remember when I used to pray and fast 6 to 6. For more than 3 months, it was as if nothing was coming forth. But look at me today. Just have faith, believe that it will come to pass, okay? Just have faith, okay? Just like the word of God says in Habakkuk, we should wait for it, though it tarry, but it must surely come to pass. Okay?
Pastor, I strongly believed in what you just said. I can't wait for God to begin to perform wonders through you. By then, our people will begin to believe.
Pastor, do you know that most people in this village say we are wasting our time? Some even say we'll go to Ugunwosu for immoral activities. Believe me, Mama Akudo told me that herself.
Mama Akudo?
Yes.
Just leave the woman.
I know she believes we are doing nothing. But soon, she will begin to see the results. Okay? Don't worry. Leave her.
I pray so. And, Pastor, please, I would like you to continuously pray for Okorondu. His mother is sick. She's sick because she's yet to hear from him. It's really weighing her down.
Adanna, I've always told you that God will always do things in His own time. They have to learn to be patient. The young man just left. Okay? There's nothing that God cannot do. You know I'm not a visioner. I should have seen if he's in trouble or not. But believe me, even if he is in trouble, the God we serve must surely deliver him in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Don't worry, we'll keep putting him in prayer, okay? And you all should be always come to service on time to help.
Pastor,
you know,
God
we're just beginning.
bless you for all your encouragement.
It's all right.
Baby, yo, I sound, baby, yo, I sound, you know, some girls with my forward away. I sound, baby, yo.
Hey! Hey! 30 billion for the account, yo. Mama! My money making machine, no. My money making machine. My money making for my body, oh baby. Hey, no do cara for me. No do send that. Hey, no do shakara, oh.
You have to be patient. What your friend told you can happen. You don't have to give that girl the room to be taking care of Okorondu's mother.
So what if Okorondu comes back and he didn't marry me? What will happen?
Zoba, I need to be positive. Now look at me and Ebere. I know how long it took me to convince her to date me. Today, I no longer spend on her. She's the one spending on me right now as we speak. In fact, she's making an arrangement for both of us to travel together to London and be together.
Eh?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I am serious. You see, sometimes when good things want to come, it doesn't really come the way we plan it. Her uncle in outside the country is the one sending her money, oftentimes. Now it's flowing from her down to me and touching me. If I listen to you people, when people say that I should not date her because that family doesn't have a good name, will I be enjoying what I am enjoying today?
Brother, you are very, very lucky. You are very lucky. Anyways, let me wait for Okorondu with all my heart. And let me just hope it will work out. I just hope. Let me just be positive. I hope it will work out.
You need to be positive. Be calculative. See, if you cannot feel it, I can feel it. If you can't perceive it, I can't perceive it.
Mamega go. Hey! Singing on one go. We are now in money. In money. Hey! Big money.
May. You see my brother, okay? As I'm talking to you now, okay, one name Chizzy no more. He wants to get married.
Okay, Kim wants to get married.
Okay, wants to get married.
I go to 2 more.
Hey!
You mean okay, my brother is getting married? Ha! Correct.
I go to 2 more. Hey! Adamo! You see what I've told you? Now, when do you want us to start building our house?
Immediately! Ozubo, no time. You have to call engineer.
Ozubo.
Mama singing ego pasa.
Hey!
Ego abroad the problem.
Ebi, ego pasa.
Mama, correct.
Mama, go to our land. Make inquiry. Call an engineer.
Yes.
We should be fast about everything.
Yes.
Money is not the problem.
Money for your land area no.
Hey!
I like this. I like this.
Hey!
Wait, Akudo. Have you forgotten me? What about my London plans now? Eh?
How?
Eh?
Hey. No, ni mazi na mma WhatsApp. Ima na mma ife alo. Na mma egwu eji. For your London trip. 2 million for you.
Hey! Baza! No me dey London.
3 baza for you.
No me dey London.
If you get to that place, if it's not enough for your shopping, call me, I'll send you more money.
Hey!
You should go me, I want to faint. I want to faint. You too much!
What I want to do now, I want to go to their house and see his mother. He claimed that his mother is sick. I'll just go there and give him 1,500 for her drugs.
If not for one thing, I will not allow you to do that.
Okwya.
She called me and my children bad names. I would have loved to show her that we are really bad.
Let me reduce it to 1,000.
Don't worry.
No. 1,000. Just give her the one. You don't church mind and give it to her. So that God will keep on answering her.
Abi.
What is keeping Adana in this room? Huh? Who is coming?
Mama!
Who is coming? Who is it?
Mama,
Mama,
your son is back.
Mama! Namo, you're welcome. Hi. Am I dreaming?
You're not dreaming. It's me or son. Mama, do you have something like maybe change like 200 naira? Let me pay the back man.
Osando.
Mama.
Oh, what is going on?
Mama, nothing is going on. Just give me later. We talk.
Oh, let me come.
Wait.
Hey.
Hello. Mama. Oh, Mama, let me leave it. Let me hold the 59. Mama, do you have any food? I'm hungry.
Yes,
very hungry.
I have food. You are hungry? Osando.
Mama, don't worry.
Come inside. There's food.
Where's Zoba? Zoba, why are you shouting at me? Zoba, guess who I saw just now?
Who did you see?
Zoba, Osando is back in the village. Yes, Osando is back.
See, Eke, must you joke with everything? Must you joke with everything?
Zoba, I'm not joking. See, Osando is back in the village. I saw him with my 2 eyes on top of a bike. Yes! I saw him!
Oh! Osando came? On top of a bike?
Yes!
I don't believe you, Enke, as you can see, I'm busy inside the house,
Zoba, please, okay, fine, okay. Zoba, why not you come? Let's go. Let's go so you see yourself. Yes, he's back.
I'm coming.
Let's go. Hey! Do fast and wait, let's go and see him. Woo!
Mama, look at he doesn't want to say anything. He's not saying anything. Where is my money? Where is the car I sent you? Where is the house I sent you money to build? Okay, what do you want?
So your brother has been sending money and you told me you've not had money.
Man, you don't send any money. What? I made it on my own. Did he send any money?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, when am I expecting your call? Okay, sir, thank you. No, don't worry, sir. I will send you some money for you to buy drinks for yourself, you know? I can't wait. I mean, we can't wait. All right, sir. I'll call you again. Thank you. Bye-bye. I told you.
Tell me, what did he say?
He said our visa will be ready for the end of this month.
Hey! Onyezi Gambo. This is why I said that you are my love.
Yes.
Hey! The paragon of Umma, my epitome of beauty.
Yes.
That is what you are.
Yes.
Who will say that I am not a lucky man?
You are indeed a lucky man. You are very lucky to have me.
Oh, yeah.
AB London. You know, very soon we'll be leaving for London together.
London, here I come.
Yes.
Boom.
But before we leave, I want us to do something. There's something I want us to do first before we leave.
What is that you want us to do? Tell me, one hand I'll do it for you. I will do it for you. If you want me to carry the oracle of Bidigbo for your sake,
No.
I will carry it.
No. Don't go too far, please. I want us to get married first.
Ogun? Yes. To marry you?
Yes.
Hey! Consider it done.
Huh?
Go. Hey!
Really?
Go. Hey! Yes. Hey, you know what? This week we are getting married.
I will spare you.
Is that all? Hey, where's Onny? Hey, what is it? Anyway, it's like I'm entering heaven now.
I know.
I'm telling you, hey.
Nemo. Why am I follow? Why am I what's up? So how is the work going? 10 trips up. I will send you money. Remember, plenty money are still on the way. Ego dosa. You should use quality material for the building. I got a problem. I break his dog. No more. Ekaraka. All right. Okay. Mama the mama. Mama, I'll call you back. What is it? Who is chasing me? Why did you barge in like that?
There is a problem. Big problem.
What problem? Did them robbers attack you?
My brother is back.
Wait. Are you joking?
Mama, why? Mama, what did I do to this boy? Can you make this boy? What did I do to Odira? Why will Odira do a thing like this to me? Why? What can
My son, please do not cry yet. Let him come back and tell us what he did with the money.
Okorondu is okay. Stop crying. Mama, are you sure it's not the money that Odira has been spending on his wife and her family? And then the car. How we sure is not the one that Akudo's mother is driving around this village and making shakara for everybody?
Hey. Did you say wife?
Your brother later married Akudo. Let us wait for him to come back so that we will hear from him.
Okorondu is okay. But Ebere told my brother that they have one Okoli in abroad that send them money and car. Yes, that was what she told my brother.
Which uncle? I never heard of Ochoma having any brother-in-law abroad. Or even a relative. It's my son's money that they have been enjoying.
Mama, I'm finished. Mama, I'm finished. I was deported, Mama.
It's okay.
As you're looking at me now, I don't have cover. 1 naira I don't have. Hey! I don't have any money on me. Can you hear me? It's a market. It's a market.
It's okay.
Oh, Chizzy.
This thing is not serious. Just for God. And the engineer is not here. And the engineer is not yet here. I will call him. Call him. Well, well done.
Hello? Adam, what is it? You were saying something. Huh? What? In this village? I am not aware. How? Ezioku. Chinekemo. It's okay, calm down, just calm down, Hey, I'm at the site. Don't worry, I will go home now. Yes. Okay, let me rush home. Yes. Let me go and find out. It's okay, calm down now, you are shouting. Calm down. It's okay, I'm going home right away. Yes, I'm going home right away. It's okay. Okay.
Enjoy.
We thank God.
Yeah, Kai my baby.
Kaima is having fun too.
Kai my baby. Are you not happy? You're happy, right?
He's happy.
You are happy.
Honey, wait, look at that phone. Look at Linda. Let's go back. Linda, are you not tired of suffering? Is the sun not too much for you?
Bella, is this the way to show me you now have a new car?
Yes, my dear. This is the way you deserve to know we have a car now. Bad friend like you. You thought by now my sweetie pie could have been yours, okay? Right?
Please, Bella, I don't have time for this. You asked me not to talk to you. Now you're talking to me again. Why? Enjoy your rotten life.
Linda, please. Don't insult my woman.
Who is this one? Didn't you hear her insult me? Don't even talk to me. Nonsense. I don't have time for you too.
Baby, let's go.
We'll know who is who.
Baby, let's go. Ignore these idiots.
She's just envious of you.
I know she is. Jealousy. Bad friend. Useless girl. Jealousy.
Baby, come on, think fast. Think fast, please.
Oh, shut up! What is your problem? Look at how you are vibrating like water leaf. There's something, think fast. Can't you see I'm trying to make a call?
Because I know I'm saying this, so I know I'm saying it. It's because of my brother. He is going to kill us.
He is going to kill you. You are the one that will die, not me. I will stay alive and enjoy the money. He will kill you because he's your blood brother. What is the Ibukamoke?
I know I'm saying this, so I know why I'm saying it.
Mama, are you sure of what you just said?
Ne. Hey, we are in this village and we don't even know.
Mama, what do we do? What do we do? Akudo and Odira will be in trouble.
No! My daughter will not be in any trouble. Why will she be in trouble? If anyone that should be in trouble, that should be Odira, not my daughter.
Yes. 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 Oh, Mama, I am afraid. Why will he return just like that? I mean, with no pre-information.
Maybe he was deported.
Yes. Yes, Mama, you're right.
You know what you will do? What? Go there and check whether it is true. Then you come back and tell me so that we can plan how to be ready for him.
Yes. Mama, you're right. I'm going there right now.
Go!
Mama! He's here. He's here.
So it's true. This is the car I bought for my mother.
Osondo, what is it? What is your problem now? How can you say that this is your car? Does it bear your name? Is the life again at the motor?
So it's true that you people collected everything I sent from abroad to my brother? Let me tell you, you will die for this.
It is you that will die.
Just wait for me, I'm coming.
Wait! It's you that will die.
Mama.
It is true.
We're in trouble.
Hi!
Mama, what do we do? He's back.
This boy is not a kwalo.
No, I don't know. I'm scared.
Come.
You mean what you just told me?
Yes, sir. So I've been waiting all these years for nothing.
Don't say so, Zoba. Didn't you hear what he said? That he made it in time. It's just that his foolish brother spent everything on his in-law.
So, all these years, we've been squandering our Sundo's money. So, the arrangement we're making to travel to London has been Sundo's money.
Akudo's mother is wicked. Yes. In fact, all of them, they are wicked people. Why would they do this now, Why? It's so unfair.
Osondo will fight them with the last drop of his blood. He will not let his years in abroad become in vain.
What am I going to do now? If I had collected very good money from a berry, I I would have been happy.
Obi, you're not even feeling for me. So you still want to be part of people that squandered this money? Eh?
Yeah, Tamota. I'm a man go see Webia. I brought love for Kaine.
No. Good love him. You're not even feeling for me.
Okay, you will know who I am today. You know who I am. You know what I will do. How?
Ma'am. What are you doing with a gun?
Mama, Odira will come and meet me in this house today. He will come and wait for him.
Hey, Biko, look at go to Abiko. Eh? Are you going to shoot your brother? No, now. Biko.
Mama, don't beg me for anything.
Please calm down.
Mama, you know what? Odira has nothing to tell me. I saw the guy I bought for you in Oshoma's house.
Hey, Biko, Nam. Biko, Mama, calm down.
Everything I suffered abroad, everything I suffered. Mama, I don't want to tell you what all I did to make money.
It's okay, my son, please. Just calm down.
Mama,
your brother now, Biko,
Mama, this whole village will hear how I killed my brother.
Hey!
Yes, because of money. I will not forgive him. Mama, I will not forgive Odira. I will not care. I will not forgive Odira.
Chima!
Mama, Biko, you know if this man still sells a compound? It's all one. Mama, it's all one. Okay?
Hey! Chima!
Hey, Ini, wonders shall never cease to happen. So it was also on those morning that these people has been eating. Chai, this woman is evil.
Nne, this is not funny at all. This is not funny. Look at me now. Just look at me.
Hey, come and see the way Osondu was pursuing his brother with a gun. There is big problem. What are you going to do now that he's no longer with money? Are you still going to marry him?
Eh? It's again. Marry him. Do you know where he's paining me the most, eh? Do you know why I'm so angry? Eh? The guy that wanted to marry me is no longer picking my calls. The guy is no longer taking my calls. Eh?
Hey, you mean you no longer love Osondu?
I didn't say that. After all, Osondu never loved me. Yes, he likes Adana, so let me give them space. Enough space.
Hey! Umuwai. So because he's no longer with money, you are not giving them space.
If it's your uncle, all wrong uncle, eh? Who wants to plant where she will not harvest? I am tired, eh? I don't want to suffer. I don't need the raffle at all. I don't need the raffle at all. Please come, let me see you off. Come and talk. Eh? Who doesn't like money?
What are we going to do? Osondu might harm.
Wait, let me call your sister and tell her something. Wait. Hello? Nwa, don't worry now, wait. Why are you worrying? You know what we will do now, eh? Just tell Odira to come back home right now. Hey, now. Let him come and face what he did. Is it our fault? It's not our fault now. Let him come and fight his brother. Why are you worrying yourself? You worry yourself so much. Hello? Don't worry yourself. I have everything under control. You don't trust your mother again? Just send Odira to come back home right now. Let him come and fight his brother. If you want to kill anyone, let Osondu kill his own brother and not us. Yes, now. Nemo, he came. I saw the car. But trust your mom now. Yes. I am going to take the car away from this place right now. Yes. That is what I'm going to do. Just send him to come down. Send him to come down. Okay? Okay. I will get back to you. It's alright.
Mama, why would you tell Akudo to send Odira down?
Let him come and fight his brother. At least if you want to kill anybody, let him kill his own brother, not us. Eh? Did he give us any money to keep for him?
No. No.
So, okay, why are we afraid?
Mama, why don't we leave here immediately? I mean, go somewhere else. I mean, with the way he's feeling, he might do something terrible to us.
Something terrible to me, to my family. He dare not. Umeye Zurie. Okwasandu. Ona wanya. Umeye Zurie. Cool down. You don't know what I will do. Wait, you will see what your mother will do.
I know.
Let him come. You will see what I will do. You don't trust your mother again? Don't worry, I will take this car somewhere first now. I will hide it somewhere.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then I will come back and wait for him.
Okay.
Where will
I'll run inside the house.
He is not coming again. Let me just rush and drop this car. I'm coming back.
Okay.
Oh?
Okay. Be careful, oh, Mama, be careful. Okay, let me open the gate for you.
Mama, you can see. He's not saying anything. Odira, where is the money I sent you? Where is the mama card I sent you, Odira? Odira, you're not talking. Where is the money I sent you to build my house?
Yeah.
Number one, I was coming well.
Odira, so your brother has been sending money and you told me he did not send anything?
Mama, who told you he sent money? He did not send any money.
Hey!
Yes, all the money I've been chopping, I made it on my own. Yes.
The first one, second one, third one, you made it? Yes. Enough.
Osandu, it's okay. Hey, Osandu, pick up. Hey, I have to leave this house this minute before this boy kills me. Mama. Mama.
What are you doing?
Mama, I told you that I am afraid. Mama, I did not sleep well last night. I didn't. Akudo just told me that Odira is in the village right now as I'm talking to you. Definitely he will tell Osondu that he gave us the money. Mama, eh?
Will you take that back inside the house? Take the bag inside the house! Me? Run away from my own house? I say, what's the one way? He is not man enough to send me away from my own house. I don't mean me. I don't call the Akahako, or Choma, in this village. You run away for somebody. One Siama, one Banshee, come Gabaroso. I don't call the Akahako. Did he give me any money to keep for him? Did he give me any money to keep for him? No. Does the money bear his name? He doesn't bear his name. It's my money. You know what here? So what are you talking? If he said that this car is his car, does it bear his name? No. Because if he like
Mama, you are right. Yes. But he might hurt us before Anekbe. Eh? You know that man is a madman. He's crazy. Let him not do something to us that we will regret.
You don't know your mother. You don't know Ochoma very well. I am waiting for him. Okorondu. Ana me chia. What's not here about Okorondu? Oga Wosota. Okoso. Also gave me a monku. Back up. Nechie. Nyajebia. I'm waiting for him. I am waiting for him. Let him come. I'm waiting for him. Come to that back inside the house. Or see I'm afraid.
Because you will kill your brother. You will kill your brother, Pico. Please.
I'll kill you.
Please. Odina no wire, Pico. Hey, Simo.
You want to hit me? Oh, it's a good
Hey,
in fact,
Pico.
cross the line. Cross this line. Mama, cross this line. Cross this line. It's anyone.
Hey,
cross it. Cross your line now.
Hey, Timu. What is it?
My brother Abosanu. They make my brother go gaga. One of them Abosanu. He wants to kill me.
I don't understand.
They're gone. I will kill all of you today. Hey, Andrea, if you don't get my money, I will kill you. Hey, they're on there. I'm a hunter. I'm a hunter. Andrea. So father, I will wait for you here today. Andrea, move on. I'll deal with you. Where is my money? Where is my car? All the money I've been saving for. Oh! Hey! I will put don't worry, you will be under house arrest. Hey! Under that! Oh! Come on, let me see. You will be inside there.
What have you done to your brother? What have you done to your brother? What is it now?
He after eating the food you served me, he started rolling on the floor, shouting.
Hey, he ate which food? The food I kept for you.